Today I'm going to show you a bit of my process to make my hand embroidered flip books. When I make flip books on paper, I always like to use yellow Post-its, so I'm going to continue that and use yellow felt for the embroidered version. I'm going to cut the felt into squares and then cut out my pattern, which I've printed on water-soluble stabilizer, and then place that in the corner of the felt. Next, I'm going to use back stitch and sew through the felt and the stabilizer. Once I reach the end of my thread, I'm going to flip my work and run my needle under some of the stitches on the back to secure the thread. Then I'm going to do satin stitch to fill in the eyes. Once I've finished stitching, I'm going to run my work under water to remove the excess stabilizer and dry flat. Next, I'll line up both frames and pin them in place so nothing moves while I stitch them to the canvas. Then I will use running stitch to secure them both to the canvas. Once I'm finished, I'm going to flip my work, trim the excess fabric away from the hoop, and perform running stitch along the excess fabric. Pull and secure.